Hello students, welcome to 7th part of our chapter polynomial. So today also we will continue exercise 2.2. Yesterday we discussed the same exercise 2.2 but first question we solved. Today we will continue second question. Before going to that second question, I wanted to give you few more formulas related to this exercise. If you understand the formula related to this second part, then only we are able to solve the exercise. So yesterday what we discussed, let me recap that. Whenever the given polynomial is a quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial, how to find out the sum of the zeros and how to find out the product of the zeros formula we discussed. So if it is ax square plus bx plus c, that is, it is a quadratic polynomial. If alpha and beta are two zeros, why two zeros? Quadratic polynomial means they will give us only two zeros. So alpha and beta are the two zeros. Then sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to, we have a formula, minus b by a, and product of the zeros. Product of the zero is alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. This is related to quadratic polynomial. This formula we discussed. On the basis of this, yesterday we solved the exercise 2.2 first main question. And we didn't solve any question related to cubic. You will get that question in optional exercise. Okay, cubic. But even though I am going to recall it, if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a cubic polynomial. Degree is 3. There should be 3 zeros. So 3 zeros I am going to take if alpha, comma beta and gamma are 3 zeros. Are the 3 zeros. Then sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Okay, sum of product of two zeros by taking two at a time is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. This also we discussed. And last one is the product. So alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. These formulas we discussed in the last class. Related to this, we solved exercise 2.2 first main question. So let me clear you. When we have to find out, when we have to apply this formula, first let me clear that. This formula we can apply whenever they are asking you find the sum and product of zeros. Then only we have to use this formula. To find out zeros, we are not using this. To find out zero, what we have to use? Algebraic method, factorization method, splitting the middle term, and we solved. Okay, finally we got x equal to one answer or x equal to another answer. One we considered as a alpha, another answer we considered as a beta. That two are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, but what these formulas are giving? These formulas are giving us sum of the zeros and product of the zeros with respect to quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Okay, I think you understood. A formula हमको तभी लगाना है when you wanted to find out sum or product of zeros, not to find out zeros. To find out sum and product of zeros, we are using this formula. Now we will go to reverse. यहाँ Roman number 1 exercise 2.2 में they have given us the equation and we found the sum and product of the zeros. अब उल्टा, they are giving us sum and product of the zeros of a polynomial. हमको find out करना है which is that polynomial. So with the help of sum and product of zeros of quadratic polynomial as well as cubic polynomial, there is no biquadratic and linear. Remember, for SSLC, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. क्वाड्रेटिक का भी और क्यूबिक का भी सम ऑफ द जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस देंगे एंड दे आर आस्किंग यू फॉर्म द पॉलिनोमियल विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम एंड प्रोडक्ट. With the help of sum and product, we have to find out the polynomial of that given polynomial. उसके लिए भी एक formula है. First discuss that formula. If you understood that formula, we will go to Roman number 2 question from the exercise 2.2 because they are asking you form the polynomial. Let me explain for quadratic polynomial. For quadratic polynomial formula I want to give. If alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, all of you know sum is equal to alpha plus beta. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta and product is equal to alpha into beta. By using the sum and product, how to find out the form? Then required polynomial is, all of you know 2 zeros means degree should be 2. If degree is 2, then it is a quadratic. Quadratic means the general form कैसे है वैसे लिखूंगा p of x is equal to required polynomial. इन दोनों को ही हम यूज करेंगे, कुछ यूज नहीं करेंगे. Quadratic means degree should be what? 2. What is variable here? X. So first term will be x square. After that minus. Keep it in your mind. It should be minus only. After that this has to come. Alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros. X square के बाद क्या आएगा? X. Next plus the product of this plus sign only alpha into beta. This is the general form to form the quadratic polynomial if you know sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. They are going to give you sum of the zeros. They only giving product of the zeros वही देंगे. उनको लेकर simply तुमको इस फार्मूला में डालना है. इस फार्मूला में डाले तो you will get the गर्मा गर्म required polynomial. Okay, therefore p of x is equal to x square minus into bracket sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zero. This is symbolically I said, but sentence if you want to use p of x is equal to x square minus into bracket sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Product of zeros. This is in sentence form. Symbolically we are using this one as a p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. हमारे लैंग्वेज में x square minus of sum of the zeros of the polynomial into x plus product of the zeros. This itself is the formula what you have to remember. So इसलिए मैंने बोला ये फार्मूला हम तभी यूज करेंगे जब तुमको पता हो सम ऑफ द जीरोस क्या है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस. ओनली इसको निकालने का, इसमें डालने का, then you will get the required quadratic polynomial. You will not get any polynomial. You will get only quadratic polynomial if you use this. Same thing. So how to find out the cubic polynomial? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बीज फार्मूला है, उसमें यहां हम क्वाड्रेटिक में ये दो यूज किए टू फॉर्म द क्वाड्रेटिक. टू फॉर्म द क्यूबिक वी आर यूजिंग दीस थ्री. इन तीनों को यूज करके वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म ऐसे ही फार्मूला. हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. इफ हाउ मेनी zeros are there for cubic polynomial? Let me write for cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Same sentence I am writing. If alpha, comma beta and gamma are 3 zeros of cubic polynomial, then you have a sum is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum. उसके बाद sum of product सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस, तुमको क्या मिलेगा? अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा प्लस गामा अल्फा इज सेकेंड वन. लास्ट वन भी लेंगे, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस. प्रोडक्ट मींस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा. इन तीनों को लेकर टू फॉर्म द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बनेगा देखो. देन required cubic polynomial is वेरिएबल x नहीं लूंगा, p of x is equal to cubic में डिग्री 3, so first term will be x cube. I told you one positive one negative, one positive one negative. ये पहला टर्म पॉजिटिव हुआ. नेक्स्ट माइनस, उसके बाद इस बाबा को लेके आओ. फर्स्ट टर्म ब्रैकेट के अंदर अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा. x क्यूब के बाद क्या आएगा? x स्क्वायर. ओके, उसके बाद एक प्लस एक माइनस. नेक्स्ट क्या आना? प्लस. उसके बाद इसको ले इंटू ब्रैकेट अल्फा बीटा बीटा गामा गामा अल्फा. x स्क्वायर के बाद क्या आना? x आना. ओके, प्लस माइनस प्लस, नेक्स्ट आएगा माइनस. सो हमको क्या मिलेगा? प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट मींस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा. दिस इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. आई रिपीट, इसे कब यूज करना? इफ दे आर आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. इसे कब यूज करना? इफ दे आर आस्किंग यू टू फॉर्म क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. उसके लिए हमको कम से कम क्या पता होना? सम ऑफ द जीरो पता होना, प्रोडक्ट भी पता होना. देन you can substitute here and here 1 2 3 तीनों का वैल्यू पता रहा तो इसमें डालने का we can form the cubic polynomial. Correct? So with the help of this we are going to solve exercise 2.2 second part. Please wait. Hello friends, now come to exercise 2.2 second main question. Second main question, to solve that just now what we discussed, that formulas we have to use. Read the question properly. They are asking you form only quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial नहीं है इधर. Find a quadratic polynomial if sum and product of its zeros are as given below. 6 questions are here. I wrote all 6 questions. पहले का जो दिए हैं they are the sum of the zeros. Second one is product. Sum product, sum product, sum product, sum product, sum product. Like that they are given. But taking it, only our job is to form the quadratic polynomial. Don't worry about cubic now. So I have taken here first sum. Observe it carefully. One sum if you understood, I will give you 100% guarantee you are able to solve all the remaining. कुछ भी नहीं है. What they are given, let me take. Let, not let, given that alpha plus beta, because they are given sum. Sum means alpha plus beta is given as a 1 by 4 and product alpha into beta is given as a minus 1. I am not taking it as a let because they only gave it. So given that first one is a sum, second one is a product. Easily we can go. Now require quadratic polynomial is, वो formula याद है? P of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. A boss भी given है, A boss भी given है. Only substitute and you will get P of x is equal to x square minus into bracket 1 by 4 into x प्लस अल्फा बीटा इज -1. यहां फ्रैक्शन है सो डिनोमिनेटर में 4 है. सो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? वो डिनोमिनेटर 4 को हमको निकालना पड़ेगा. निकालना मींस कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे, उसको बिगिनिंग में कॉमन करके निकाल देंगे. दिस इंप्लाइज p of x is equal to, let me write one more step, x square minus 1 into x minus 1x divided by 4 प्लस इंटू माइनस -1. ये हमारा पॉलिनोमियल है. एज देयर इज अ डिनोमिनेटर I wanted to take it outside. So take only common 1 by 4. So क्या आएगा 1 by 4 बाहर निकालोगे तो तुमको यहाँ आएगा x स्क्वायर की जगह 4x स्क्वायर. Why? Because 4 कैंसिल हुआ तो x स्क्वायर होता है. Okay, 1 by 4 I have taken 1 by 4. So instead of 1x square it becomes 4x square. Hey, 4 कैसे हुआ sir? Because you are taking 1 by 4 as a common. So ऐसे common निकालना है and minus 1 by 4 था वो बाहर है, बचा क्या सिर्फ x. So x 1x and 1 minus is minus. यहाँ 1 by 4 कॉमन हुआ है तो हमको 1 चाहिए, so you have to take it as a 4. So क्योंकि 4 कैंसिल हुआ तो 1 आ जाता है. So this is final answer. If you getting any confusion in exam, you want to keep answer here only, also you will get पूरा marks. Don't be confused. But MCQ में पूछा गया तो they may ask answer like this. MCQ में 1 marks में, so तब you should not get confused. That's why I told you. Okay, I think you understood what I did. Denominator में जो आता है उसको common निकालने का. Common निकालने के बाद यहाँ terms को मैंने यहाँ 4 क्यों डाला, यहाँ 4 क्यों डाला, समझ में आ गया तो no problem. So this is required polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. So this is end of first sum. 2 marks question it is. Okay, MCQ में भी ये सब step की जरूरत नहीं, directly they may give you which of the following is correct. Okay, second one. Second question may be root 2 and 1 by 3 given. So given that first one is a sum. So sum means alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. 1 by 3 is what? Product. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, required quadratic polynomial is, जनरल फॉर्म लगाएंगे. जनरल फॉर्म है p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So ready है, बुलाओ उनको. x square minus 1 by 3 into x, sorry it's a root 2, product है यहाँ plus 1 by 3. Now observe, यहाँ भी डिनोमिनेटर है. So what we did, same thing. क्या कॉमन निकालना है? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 कॉमन निकालना है. So this is equal to, एक और स्टेप लिखूंगा, x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3 without bracket I wrote here. अभी डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है, 1 by 3 को कॉमन निकालूंगा. So p of x is equal to 1 by 3 कॉमन निकाला. Be careful. अब 1x स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा? 3x स्क्वायर. वेरी गुड. 3x स्क्वायर. ओके, हमको सिर्फ रूट 2 चाहिए, इसके लिए रूट 3 भी डालना है. 3 रूट 2x, बिकॉज 3 gets cancelled, only root 2x ही will get. एंड साइन है प्लस 1 by 3 बाहर निकालो तो कुछ नहीं बचेगा, means what? 1 only remains there. Therefore, the answer is 1 by 3 into bracket 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. ये लिखने का कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लो, you will get the answer. So this is second one. Next we will go to third one. Third one is also same, कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं है. रूट यहाँ भी था, वहाँ भी रूट है, only thing is 0 है. No problem. Let given what they are given, alpha plus beta is equal to 0. First one is a 0, and product alpha into beta is given as a root 5. Required quadratic polynomial is, general form, repeat, p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. दोनों मेहमान रेडी है, उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. x स्क्वायर माइनस 0 into x plus root 5. All of you know very well, 0 into anything is 0 only. So a पूरा term gets vanished. So बचेगा क्या? p of x is equal to x square plus root 5. is the required polynomial. Sir, can we write 0x? You can write, but 0 into anything is 0. So this itself is a final answer for this. Remaining, yes, students, out of 6 I solved 3 sums, and rest of the 3, according to me, you are able to solve the remaining 3. So same method, you take first one is a sum, second one as a product, and you try to get answer for these 3. If you not able to get, just ask me, I will solve and send to your WhatsApp number. So try for these 3. First 3 I solved, and please observe here, I gave you my own example as a homework. So form quadratic polynomial. I also gave you 5. First one is a sum, product, sum, product, sum, product. Same thing you follow it and try to get the answer. This itself is homework for today's part of our video. Okay, and along with that 5, these 3 also you have to solve and send it to my WhatsApp number. Yes, students, so far whatever we solved, that is from textbook question only. In textbook they told you to form only quadratic polynomial when sum and products are given. So these are additional questions. I am giving you additional questions. Here we are going to form cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means 3 types of zeros required. That's why sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, and product of its zeros are given as follows. Till the end, I have taken here 3. First one, sum of the zeros. Second one, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and last one is product of the zero. लेकर हमको क्या फॉर्म करना है? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म करना है. So I am going to solve first one. So first one जो दिए हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं given that, or they are given sum of the zeros. What I supposed to write? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of the zeros is given as a 2. And sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. So दो multiply alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That value is given as -5. And last one, product of the zeros means alpha beta gamma. Okay, that value is given as 7. So बनाने का छिलका निकाल के दिए हैं, अभी खाना है. So खाने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Required cubic polynomial is general form. If you know, repeat it. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. So एक प्लस एक माइनस, एक प्लस एक माइनस. ओके, सभी गेस्ट रेडी हैं, उसको हम मंच पे बुलाएंगे. P of x is equal to x square minus sum of 3, sorry, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma, substitute 2x square. Next, sum of zeros. So product of zeros taken 2 at a time, answer is -5. ब्रैकेट के अंदर मैं डालूंगा -5 into x and minus क्या है 7 minus into 7. Whatever I substituted, I have taken bracket. अभी ब्रैकेट निकाल दो, गर्मा गर्म क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल रेडी होगा. x cube minus 2x square plus into minus 5x minus 7. This is your required cubic polynomial. So can we go to second one also? Second one, given that alpha plus beta plus gamma, first term is what? Half alpha beta gamma alpha is equal to 3/2. दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, and last one product is given as a negative, that is -2. Formula is same. required cubic polynomial. So P of x, formula again I am writing x cube minus alpha plus beta gamma x square plus alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha into x again minus alpha beta gamma. So सभी रेडी है, डालते जाओ. x cube minus half x square plus 3 by 2 into x minus last one is minus 2. Bracket remove करो. x cube minus half x square plus 3 by 2 x minus into minus plus 2. What I told in quadratical, so same thing. Denominator में क्या है उसको कॉमन निकाल दो. 2 है तो 1 by 2 कॉमन निकालना है. 1 by 2 कॉमन निकालोगे तो फर्स्ट टर्म 1x क्यूब की जगह होगा 2x क्यूब माइनस 1x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x नेक्स्ट प्लस 4 by 4 2 1 जा 2 2 जा कैंसिल हो जाता है. So this is required answer. So you take it as homework. This is one more homework for you. Okay, this much you try. हम मिलेंगे एपिसोड 8 में. Until that, see you, tata, bye bye. Thank you.